besties, today I'm gonna show you how to do your gellac nails going through preparation, application and this super cute and easy aura design using just eyeshadow. I promise anyone can do this, it's very beginner friendly, no drill needed, so if you wanna know how to go from this to these elegant nails, keep on watching. First, as always, starting with shaping and cleaning the base, which is our own nails. I like to file down, especially on the sides of my nails, to make the gellac nail tips easier to fit later on. To soften my cuticles and push them back, I will be going in with the cuticle remover gel by Hansen. I will link everything I use in the description below too for you. Now it's time to choose and measure the gellac nail tip. I'm using gelish soft gel tips in medium stiletto. They are very beginner friendly and fit without filing down. To prepare the nail tips, you can do this either with a drill or with a tip primer. I will show you both ways. Here I'm gonna use the nail drill with a small head and just on the lowest speed to make the inside of the tips rough so they last up to 5 weeks. The same effect will be achieved if you don't have a drill and just this nail tip primer, as this also gives you the grip for long-lasting nails. Just make sure to really rub it in until you feel it's starting to become tacky, and that's when you know it's ready to be applied. For my own nails, I go in with a dehydrator first and then the same tip primer I used earlier. For the actual application, I'm using the gelish soft gel tip adhesive. It's so easy to work with because of the consistency. Starting off by coating the nail tip and then scoop the remaining on the edge of the cuticle side and gently press down, starting a few millimeters away from your cuticles and slowly pressing down till the gel fills up the whole nail, then flash cure. I know this may look scary, but just remember there is no rush. It will only stick after you cure, so as long you don't cure, you can clean up the mess and start over. If you felt like you applied too much or too little, just start over again. Practice and see for yourself how much you need, and eventually you will apply the perfect amount and it will all work out seamlessly for you. Just be patient and trust the learning process. I'm done, I will cure one more time in the big lamp, and then again it's up to you if you want to use a drill or just file down the nails. One more time cleaning off the nails and then going in with my favorite base coat from Pink Gellac, the Base Extend. This step is to really make the nail tips one with your own, covering the gap between your cuticle and the nail tips. For the base color, I'm going in with Pink Gellac in Laced Cream, and I do 2 coats of this. Now I will be using a matte top coat. This one is from Kiara Sky, and this is to make the eyeshadow really stick without being patchy for the ultimate seamless aura effect. You can take any eyeshadow you have. I am using the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you really want to start slow and build up as you go.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind. Be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. glad that we stayed done. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them.
After you're satisfied, you can go ahead and use a top coat. To seal it all in, I'm using Kiara Sky non-wipe here, and very gently making sure you don't move around the eyeshadow, and just slowly coat the top coat on. For the charms, I'm using these I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna stick them on also with the same adhesive I used earlier for my nail tips.
Had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
Now lightly going over everything one more time with the same top coat.
But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
The last step and most satisfying part of doing my nails is finishing off with cuticle oil to really nourish and restore my nails from everything I have been doing. And here you have it. I got so many compliments on them, and they are so easy and fun to recreate, especially the eyeshadow part. It felt like a therapy session to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.